human experience, that we interacted with the world around us and acquired data, and based on that data we developed certain assumptions, and then those assumptions were given to the next generation, and that's how a body of knowledge was created. So every generation had a bit of received wisdom, they had a bit of knowledge that they acquired through their ancestors, and then they had their own experiences. So when the experience changed, experience of a certain geography changed, experience of seasons changed, they then developed new responses to newer experiences.
And this is a quote which is attributed to President Obama, that AI is not after your jobs, it is after your purpose. So how do we live with machines that think better than us? This is one question that we face. And what is our purpose if machines can show greater efficiency, productivity, and intelligence? These are the questions that we face today. What is our purpose if machines can do our job? So if the purpose of higher education is enhancing our productivity and efficiency for greater economic growth, this is how we generally define the purpose of education in the neoliberal frameworks which are in place. AI is here to sideline us. If this is how we define our purpose, AI can do our job much better because it is pacing up to become more efficient and more productive than us.
So we're going to have to reimagine a lot of things, like including first and foremost, what is it that we're teaching our kids and why? And also the process, it's the process through which we make certain human beings. उसकी implication ये है कि जब आपको training सारी ये है कि maximization of marks करनी है आपने, it means somebody has already decided that this is the way the world works.
At Center of Teaching and Learning, we believe that education must evolve the times. The rise of AI challenges, as well as rethinking how to teach, how to learn, how to do the new assessment in the classroom, and how to understand the knowledge itself. We see this rise of AI not as a threat, but as an opportunity. An opportunity to create more engaging classroom, inclusive and forward-looking teaching practices. CTL is fully committed to support modern teaching technology at UMT.
हमने वो पुराने कन्वेंशनल तरीके रखे हुए हैं कि मेमोराइज करके आ जाओ, 3 घंटे में जो याद रहेगा उससे डिटरमिन करेंगे कि तुम कामयाब हो या नाकाम नहीं। अब हमने उस असेसमेंट से निकलना है, हमने इस तरह की फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट्स करनी है, हमने उनकी प्रॉम्प्ट, अब वही एआई टूल हमें ये अलाउ करेगा कुछ दिनों में जब हम लाइसेंस खरीदने के काबिल हो जाएंगे कि जितनी इंटरेक्शन वो एक इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट कर रहा होगा वो सारी की सारी इंटरेक्शन अगर टीचर देखना चाहेगा तो देख सकता है।